So guys, the remaining properties are, if the fifth one, we have already done the first four, P0 to P4, that means total number of properties is 5. Now the fifth one, 0 to 2a fx dx can be written as 0 to a fx dx plus 0 to a f2a minus x into dx. If you can write for 2 to 3 times again and again and use in the questions later on in the exercise, it will be remember for a long time. Now P6, what is that? It can be of two types. It can be if f2a minus x is equals to fx, right? If we can put that value f2a minus x is equals to fx, then it can be written as 0 to a 2 into 0 to a fx dx. But if we can see there, if we to f2a minus x, it becomes minus fx, that the integration will be 0. So you can see that the difference between these two. I can explain this if you can see that if I take the fx equals to cos x, right, and we are given like cos x 0 to 2 pi. If you have been given like that, so what will be this property can do here, that you see that what is the value of x to pi minus x. If it is the same value, the cos x, right, if it is the same value, that is the cos x, then you can write it 2 into 0 to pi fx, means the fx, that is cos x into dx. But if you can have the sin x, I can write it upward, in the upward position, so that we can easy this sin x. If it is dx and 0 to 2 pi, then what happens there? You see that sin 2 pi minus x, if you can see there, 2 pi minus x, it is minus sin x because it is in the fourth quadrant. Then it will be 0. So that's the property which I was asking about. If f2a minus x is equals to fx, then it will be twice of 0 to a. If it is minus fx, it will be 0. Now the last one, I have to rub this so that I can have this. If it is 0 minus a to a, you can write it 0 to a, twice of 0 to a fx dx, when if fx is an even function. What is the even function? I will tell you. It is the 0 if fx is, if you can see there, if fx is an odd function, right? So what is that? If you can see there, what is the even function? If you can, you have to write that. That is the even function is what? If you have been given, like I can explain you what is the even function. You can see there, if fx is equals to x square and you put minus x there, you will get still x square, that is fx. It is given. So if we have f minus x is equals to fx, that is called even function, right? So this one is the even function. But if we have been given sin x like that, and if we put minus x there, we will get minus sin x, right? It will be an odd function. If we got the positive fx, that will be even function, and if we got the negative function, that will be an odd function. So if what, the value of the integration will be always 0 according to this property. And if it is an even function, it will be twice minus a to a will change into 2 into 0 to a fx dx. So these are the properties of this one for definite integrations. We will use it in for NCERT exercise 7.11. So guys, you can remember these properties by pausing the video again and again. You can write and learn these properties. So thank you for today. All the best.